For our paperwork on zero today, we are going to go ahead and write our name very neatly at the top, and then we're going to trace over the zeros on dotted lines, starting at the top. Always remember to start at the top. I'm just going to go around zero. Stay right on those dotted lines as you trace. Now, you might have noticed that there is also some ones on this paper, and I'm going to leave that up to you whether you want to practice those today or not. If you would like to, all you have to do is make sure that you start at the top and make a straight line down and stop on the line. The next thing you're going to do for today's work is to write your name at the top, trace and copy, tracing the zeros. Trace over those zeros. You have a place to make your own zeros, and also trace over the word zero, Z, E, R, O. And then you can practice copying that word on the line. Now, the directions here say to color the pictures that show zero. And we have already said that zero means none. So we're going to find all of the pictures that show none. So here on the domino, we have two to pick from. This one shows 1, 2. So we don't want to color that one. We want to find the one that has 0 dots on it. This one does not have any dots on it, so that shows 0. We're going to go ahead and color that one. Okay. Now we see hands. We've got fingers up to represent a number. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not 0, that's 5. Look at this one. They have all the fingers down, so that shows 0. None of the fingers are up, so that is 0. Now, I've got my blue crayon in my hand, so I'm just going to go ahead and use it. There's no blue people, but that's okay. I'm going to try to stay in the lines. Here is a picture of some bugs in a jar. This one has 1, 2, 3. That's 3, that's not 0. Here is a picture of a jar that does not have any bugs in it. So this jar has 0. I want to find all the ones that have 0. Now, I might decide I want to switch my crayon colors now. I might want to use a green, just to have something different. Now, we see 2 leaves. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bugs on it. Looks like ladybugs. We don't want that one because that shows 5. That doesn't show 0. We want to find the one that has 0. This one has no bugs on it, so that is 0. We're going to go ahead and color this leaf. The leaves are green. Sometimes they're orange and yellow and brown and red also. I want mine to look like a nice summer leaf. Okay. Now, on the 10 frame, we've got 2 10 frames. Those are called 10 frames because there's 10 spots in them. We have 1, 2, 3 on this 10 frame, and on this 10 frame we don't have any dots. So that's going to be the one we want to pick because it shows 0. I think I might want to use orange this time. I like lots of different crayon colors. What's your favorite color? I like to use lots of different crayons. Now, we're going to look at the pencil case, or the pencil container, and we see that this pencil container has 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils in it. 4 is not 0. Well, remember, we were looking for 0. 0 means none. So we want to pick this one because it has 0 in it. We're going to go ahead and color the one that shows 0. Now, you may have noticed I did not color any of these other answers because they don't represent 0. I only want to pick the ones that are 0. Now, the next directions are to write 0 in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my red marker. I want you to use your pencil. I'm using my red marker, so I'm hoping that it will show up better for you to be able to see. Now I've written 0. Let's go ahead and count together on the number line here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Directions at the bottom for the apples, it says color 0 apples. Well, that means we don't color any apples today because 0 is none. So we're not going to color any of the apples today. I hope you have enjoyed learning about 0. Tomorrow we'll work on number 1.